Mr. Kirkland.
Yes, Mrs. Kirkland.
Are you happy with your new wife?
I am superbly happy.
Superbly happy?
Yes.
I
feel so fantabulous. So, one of the most amazing thing about relationship is you have some people sit down and watch it. Like time, them will try to clock it. They wouldn't mind if them could hijack it and stop it, but from your thing is like nuts and bolt. Just let them know, you cannot stop it. Good. A picture if you're taking a video. Just with the honor this, okay? Look like a video, my video.
Oh, okay. Do it again?
Come close up. My reason for saying all of this is so one here came and went like it was yesterday.
Yes, how you doing? Congratulations.
With all that said and done, of course, I am on my way to go sorting something nice today for wifey. Tell them precisely. It is our anniversary on February. No. I think it's no. Oh yes, it's November 22nd. So yes, that's what time it is. November 22nd. It's the anniversary. I think I got that part right. Yes, it is. Anyway, I just want to say, relationships can be up and down. It can be looking smooth and it can get rough. But I think one of the most amazing thing about relationship is, when you don't put your business too much on social media, and when the rest of the world not have things to say, how to do it, where to do it, when to do it, and you just do it. So I strongly think that from couples love each other, them have each other in their heart, regardless of whatever people want to talk, on the heart sparks.
Mr. Kirkland?
Yes,
What are you going to do now?
Go home and and that is magical moments. So treat other with respect and do the things that make you happy. I am lucky. I am one of the luckiest men in the world. She is indeed a virgin. Yeah, I'm lucky. Whoop-wee! So with that all said and done, I want to say, Mrs. Lori Kirkland, 1 year anniversary so far and many more years to come. I say thanks for believing in me.
We didn't clink the glasses. Welcome to a grown-up life, sir.
Alright, come, do it.
No, wait.
Thanks for appreciating my arts, my creativity, my talents. Thanks for helping me to accomplish dreams. Thanks for loving my kids. Thanks for respecting my parents and my siblings, because at this moment I tell some people, honor everybody, respect them partner, pick me. Not everyone respect their partner's children or kids, or child, or siblings, or parent. But you see, when a person can respect your parent, our respect goes out, because you have some people just don't good with that. And then it look away, because at the end of the day, you don't want to live in a relationship which part your picnic them not happy with your spouse. Your parents them not good with your spouse.
Hi, everybody.
Respect, Papa. Blessed love, yeah?
If it was good, it is good. It's still going on and always be going on. And she would be the one to tell you if it's good, because she always be getting good. Hey, me then some bush, so if you see, me I look if you see any tiger, bear, lion or anything, or snake. So if you see me around, you don't know that go. But yeah, Life is not an easy task, but at the end of the day, the trials and tribulations we will encounter together and still remain to stay strong, that's magical. That's something precious to look on and to adore. You get what I say? Enough people come on the media and them lie about them relationship and them pretend like everything is all fine. And them are living in chaos and confusion. Now, my style is not to be present every day and talk about, hey, you know. No. I kind of leave my personal thing to a level off of the media. Because me feel like social media is for promote my art, my talent, my short films, my movies, my books, whatever. Flyers and advertising events. Talking about advertising event, the Pawtucket Poetry 5th anniversary is January 5th at Lit Arts RI. So, Rhode Island people, just roll out and come support that. You don't know, honoring Mrs. Lori Kirkland on her journey. Look out and check out her new book, Tucked in Flowers, Hidden in Plain Sight. So, yeah, you can check out that. And I think she wrote some of those poems about somebody amazing and great. I will not give away. I will not. It's filled with sauce, so you can check out that. It's on Amazon. Tucked in Flowers, Hidden in Plain Sight. Yeah, I look author Lori Kirkland. Well, of course, you're not put the author on it. You just write Lori Kirkland, Lori. Cause me have to spell it. I don't want people to write Lory. It's Lori Kirkland, Kirkland. And of course, I have a book out also, so go and go check that out. It's called Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland on Amazon. So, I just take a walk for telling you all these things. Short movie, The Jamaican Poet. It's also on YouTube. So I'm going to check that out and go give some new views. As me telling you before, the journey continue. We never stop. Great way is the gateway while the sun shines, we make it. So happy anniversary, Lori. You don't know, 1 year. I'm still going strong and stronger. Big respect to the youth in my yard. My parents, them. Lori, maximum love and respect goes out to your parents, them just the same, and your children just the same. Big respect goes out to all of the fans, the friends, the siblings, the family of greatness. So, I'm going to drop one piece of poem, and then you can go check out the book. This one is called You'll Be Okay. Lori, you are remarkable. You are strong. You're one of God's greatest gifts. Follow him. Lori, you choose me so you never go wrong. Lori, you are smart. You are noble. Pay keen ears to these words I told you. The skies were overcast and then torrential rain for days. Throughout your darkest moments, Lori, you experienced pain for days. Cold and bitter without me. Angry and confused because sometimes you get by your nerves. But be cautious with your stuff. Before you leave me, I make the wrong move. And if you get empty at times, somewhat unsatisfied, like you might not like the things I say, fret not. I'll make it up to you. And I'll be willing to say sorry. And God will be your travel guide. Lord, just be patient and pray more. With me in your life, you'll be okay. Forget about them who not believe in us. Because no, things say our relationship would fade away. Be patient and pray more. You'll be okay. Just know that God is real. After you overcome the ups and the downs and the hurdles, and you realize you have a nice man, Amaziyah the Great, of course, it'll be the strongest you ever feel. Lori, of course, you are remarkable. You are sweet. So trample all hypocrites beneath your feet. Be patient and pray more. You'll be okay. Forget about them who not believe in you. You remember when some of them say, "Oh, tell them long mark a Jamaican boy to go away"? You are a fighter, however you held on. And you resist to quit. Mrs. Lori Kirkland, you're loved. You're my wife. And of course, I am going to give you my hard stick. I mean, you deserve lifetime happiness. Tell them precisely, maximum respect. It is 1 year, and we're going stronger. You know the journey continue. We never stop. Great way is the gateway. While the sun shines, we make hay. Mrs. Lori Kirkland, I love you. Tell them precisely. Mr. and Mrs. Kirkland. Right now we're in Boston, Massachusetts. You know, big respect to all the persons who turned out earlier.